Hello and welcome to IT Voice, your one stop for all things tech. I'm Chahat, bringing you the latest from the world of technology. From cutting edge product launches to breakthroughs in artificial intelligence, we've got it all covered. Phishing scam targets India AI Impact Summit attendees. Gov issues alert. The Indian government has issued an urgent warning regarding a sophisticated phishing scam targeting attendees of the recently concluded India AI Impact Summit 2026. Fraudsters are circulating fake SMS and WhatsApp messages promising registration fee refunds or travel reimbursements. These messages contain malicious links designed to steal banking credentials and personal data. Officials clarify that no such refunds are being issued and advise participants to avoid clicking unsolicited links. This cyber attack underscores the growing trend of scammers exploiting high-profile tech events to target digitally active citizens. PhonePe debuts AI-driven natural language search built on Microsoft Foundry. PhonePe has integrated a sophisticated natural language search feature into its platform, leveraging Microsoft Foundry's advanced AI infrastructure. This update allows users to find services, merchants, and transaction history using conversational queries in multiple Indian languages. By moving beyond traditional keyword searches, PhonePe aims to make digital finance more accessible to users who prefer voice commands or informal phrasing. This collaboration underscores the growing trend of Indian fintech leaders utilizing global AI frameworks to solve local usability challenges and drive financial inclusion across the country. Digital arrest scams. Why they persist despite growing public awareness. Digital arrest scams continue to surge in India, leveraging psychological manipulation and fear. Fraudsters pose as law enforcement officials via video calls, accusing victims of money laundering or drug trafficking to arrest them virtually. Despite awareness campaigns, the article highlights that high-stress tactics and sophisticated deepfakes make these scams effective. Victims are often isolated and coerced into transferring bail money. Experts warn that the lack of immediate cross-border banking freezes and the evolving nature of social engineering keep this multi-crore fraud industry rampant. Google Pixel call recording expands globally. Germany, Italy, and Spain join the list. Google is expanding its native Pixel call recording feature to several European markets, including Germany, Italy, and Spain. Previously exclusive to the US and select regions, the update allows Pixel users to record conversations directly through the phone app. To ensure compliance with local privacy laws, Google has integrated mandatory audible notifications that alert all participants when recording starts or ends. This rollout, powered by the latest Android 16 update, provides a secure, seamless tool for users to document important calls without relying on third-party applications. Redmi A7 and A7 Pro tipped for India launch massive 6.9-inch display and 6,000 mAh battery. Xiaomi is reportedly preparing to launch the Redmi A7 and Redmi A7 Pro in India. The Pro variant is rumored to feature a massive 6.9-inch HD Plus display and a robust 6,000 mAh battery targeting the entry-level segment. Expected to run on Android 16 Go edition, this series may be powered by a MediaTek Helio chipset with up to 4 GB RAM and virtual expansion. With a focus on endurance and screen real estate, these budget-friendly devices aim to redefine value for money standards in the Indian market. Redmi Samsung Galaxy S26 series privacy display and Snapdragon 8 Elite debut. Feb 25, Samsung is set to unveil the Galaxy S26 series at Galaxy Unpacked on February 25, 2026. The lineup, comprising the S26, S26 Plus, and S26 Ultra, is rumored to feature a flagship Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor and the debut of One UI at 8.54 Android 16. A key highlight is the new zero-peaking privacy display technology, The Ultra model is expected to sport a 6.9-inch screen and a 200MP quad camera setup. In India, pre-reservations are live for R999, with prices rumored to start around Rs 82,000. Today's AI tool is Lorca 8K, the all-in-one powerhouse for multimodal intelligence. Lorca AI revolutionizes the AI landscape by consolidating over a dozen premier models, including GPT-5, Claude 4, Gemini, and DeepSeek, into a single 19 monthly subscription. This platform eliminates the need for multiple expensive accounts, offering integrated tools like PDF chat for deep document analysis and high-fidelity image generation via Flux. By enabling cross-modal querying and real-time web search, Lorca caters to researchers and developers who require diverse perspectives. Is a cost-effective, unified solution that brings the world's most powerful AI models into one streamlined interface. Our lead story is about PM Modi launches HCL-Foxconn Semiconductor Unit, a landmark for Indian self-reliance. Prime Minister Narendra Modi recently inaugurated the HCL-Foxconn Semiconductor facility in Uttar Pradesh, marking a pivotal step toward India's chip self-reliance. Emphasizing that chips are the oil of the 21st century, the PM highlighted how this unit will transform the region into a global tech hub, generating vast employment and research opportunities. This initiative, part of the India Semiconductor Mission, aims to reduce dependence on global supply chains and solidify India's position as a trusted manufacturing partner in the global tech trade. That's it for today's bulletin. We'll be back tomorrow with more insights and another AI tool to supercharge your digital life. Stay sharp, stay ahead. This is Chahat signing off from IT Voice.